arbitrationagreements.org. You've probably heard the term mediation, but have you ever wondered what it really means? Let's break it down. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep costs low whenever problems occur. So, mediation is a form of alternative dispute resolution. It's an avenue that allows people to resolve conflicts without going to court. Imagine two neighbors disagreeing over a tree that's on their shared property line. Instead of heading straight to a courtroom, they could choose to sit down with a neutral third party called a mediator to help sort things out. Now, what's cool about mediation is that it's voluntary. People choose to be there, and they're in control of the outcome. It's not like a judge or a jury telling you what to do. The mediator doesn't decide who's right or wrong. Their job is to facilitate a conversation and help everyone come to a mutually satisfactory agreement. I've always loved this statistic. According to a study done in 2022, over 70% of cases that underwent mediation reached an agreement. That's more than 2 out of 3 disputes resolved without the need for a court battle. Now you might wonder, why even consider mediation? Well, besides that encouraging statistic, mediation can save you time and money. Court processes can take months, even years, and can cost a ton in legal fees. On the other hand, mediation can often be scheduled within weeks and can be much more cost-effective. Another interesting stat for you. People who have experienced mediation often report a high level of satisfaction with the process. They feel heard, they feel understood, and most importantly, they've played an active role in reaching an agreement. That kind of empowerment is hard to find in traditional legal settings. So remember, mediation is an incredible tool for those looking to resolve disputes in a constructive, cost-effective, and empowering way. If you're ever in a conflict, consider giving mediation a try. It just might be the perfect solution for you. If you want to learn more information about mediation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Also, what do you think about mediation? Which advantage of it is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.